SoleBrace is a brand that truly understands the importance of foot comfort and everyday support. From the moment you start using its products, it becomes clear that a great deal of thought has gone into creating solutions that help people stay comfortable throughout even the busiest days. Whether you're standing for long hours at work, walking frequently, traveling, or simply looking for better support in your daily routine, SoleBrace offers a practical and effective solution that makes a noticeable difference. What sets SoleBrace apart is its impressive balance between comfort and functionality. The supportive design helps reduce pressure on the feet while providing a cushioned feel that remains comfortable for extended periods of use. Many users find that their overall walking experience improves significantly, with less fatigue and greater stability during daily activities. The products are designed to fit seamlessly into a variety of footwear styles, making them convenient and versatile for different lifestyles and personal preferences. The quality of the materials used by SoleBrace is another standout feature. Every component feels carefully selected to provide durability without sacrificing comfort. Unlike many products that lose their effectiveness after a short period, SoleBrace products are built to maintain their support and cushioning over time. This long-lasting performance gives customers confidence that they are investing in something that will continue to deliver value day after day. Customers also appreciate the brand's dedication to providing a positive overall experience. The ordering process is straightforward, shipping is efficient, and the company demonstrates a strong commitment to customer satisfaction. This attention to service reflects a business that genuinely values its customers and strives to exceed expectations at every stage of the purchasing journey. Another reason for SoleBrace's growing popularity is its ability to cater to a wide range of individuals. Whether someone is an active professional, a fitness enthusiast, a traveler, or simply looking for extra comfort during everyday activities, the products are designed to meet diverse needs. The versatility and reliability of the brand have helped it build a loyal customer base that continues to recommend it to friends and family. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of SoleBrace is the positive impact it can have on everyday life. Greater comfort often leads to increased confidence, improved mobility, and a more enjoyable daily experience overall. Small improvements in foot support can make a remarkable difference, and SoleBrace consistently delivers on that promise through thoughtful design and dependable performance. Overall, SoleBrace represents an excellent combination of innovation, comfort, durability, and customer-focused service. The brand has established itself as a trusted choice for individuals seeking reliable foot support and long-lasting comfort. With high-quality products, strong attention to detail, and a commitment to helping customers feel their best, SoleBrace continues to stand out as a brand that genuinely delivers on its promises and earns the praise it receives.